Unlock the power of genetic information with our Master Transcriptomic Data Analysis course. Transcriptomics is revolutionizing biological research, offering insights into gene expression and cellular function. In this course, you'll master essential tools like Linux, R, and Seurat, the cornerstones of transcriptomic data analysis. Learn to build robust analysis pipelines for both bulk and single-cell RNA-Seq data, crucial for comprehensive research. You'll also gain the skills to create stunning publication-quality visualizations that effectively communicate your findings. Why should you master these specialized skills? Mastering transcriptomic data analysis will accelerate your academic excellence and unlock numerous career opportunities in a rapidly growing field. These skills have real-world applications across various fields, including cancer research, neuroscience, agriculture, and drug discovery. Our course offers complete training in both bulk and single-cell RNA-Seq, providing a comprehensive understanding of the subject. Benefit from hands-on learning with practical lab exercises using real-world datasets, ensuring you gain practical experience. Achieve pipeline mastery by learning step-by-step workflows that guarantee reproducible and reliable results for your research. Your instructor is MD JUBAYER Hossein, the esteemed CEO of Deep Bio Limited, bringing real-world expertise to your learning. Ready to transform your career? Enroll now and take the first step towards mastering transcriptomic data analysis. Enjoy comprehensive lessons, lifetime access to course materials, and a certificate upon completion. Don't miss our limited-time offer and exclusive bonus materials designed to enhance your learning experience. Enroll today to transform your career and become a master in transcriptomic data analysis.